In today's video, we are going to be talking about something very important. We are going to be talking about pregnancy, its complication, and how to go about the journey, how to go through this journey mentally, physically, emotionally, and any other thing you can think of. Yes, whether you're pregnant, you're preparing to be pregnant, or you're helping someone go through the process, don't go away because this video is for you. It is very loaded and power packed. You're going to learn a lot of things from this video. Stay tuned.
My bedroom. My bedroom.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daisy Peter. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so that the algorithm will tell people that it's actually a good content and they will push it for me. Subscription is totally free. Let's get started. Pregnancy is a very beautiful journey, but it can come with a whole lot of experience, a whole lot of headache, and some of these changes are very common. They are something that you're really known to, which are preeclampsia, preterm labor, high blood pressure, miscarriage, placenta previa, or even anemia. While this may sound very scary, early detection can really help to prevent all this. That is why it is advisable that you always go for your prenatal visits. Yes, go to the hospital, let them check so that they will know your health condition. So it will really help to reduce the risk or the complication that arises when you're pregnant. Now let's talk about how to take care of your body to prepare for this risk or complication that might come when you're pregnant. Number one is eat healthily. Yes, when you're pregnant, it is advisable to eat healthily, or before you're even pregnant, eat healthily. It will reduce the risk of this complication that comes during pregnancy. Take your routine drugs, eat healthily. In my previous video, I talked about routine drugs. So if you want to learn more about routine drugs, you can check the description box. I'm going to leave the link of the video there. Number two is regular exercise. Yes, before your pregnancy, always engage in exercise. You can engage in yoga, swimming. Yes, all these exercise will help to reduce the risk or the complication that comes during pregnancy. Three is prenatal vitamins. Prenatal vitamin is also good. They help you to reduce the risk that comes in pregnancy. But before you take any prenatal vitamin, please make sure you consult with your doctor. Your doctor will tell you the right one to take. Number four is manage pre-existing condition. Yes, if there is any health challenge prior your pregnancy, before you take in, please visit your doctor. Let your doctor tell you the things you do and the things you shouldn't do before you take in. Like I told you, when I was pregnant, I did not take routine drugs because of some health challenges. If I had gone to my doctor before I took in, I'm sure they wouldn't have given me that routine drug. So go to your doctor, let them check your medical history, and they tell you what to do so that when you're pregnant, you know how to go about it. It will reduce the risk of it. Number five is avoid risky substance. Yes, stay away from alcohol, stay away from unprescribed medication. Anything your doctor did not ask you to take, stay away from them, because all these things can cause complication and risk when you're pregnant. Mental health is just as important as your physical health, because any little thing in pregnancy, it can stir you up. Your mood will just change. So your mental health is something that you should take very serious when you're pregnant or before you get pregnant. Now this brings us to how you can take care of your mental health before you're pregnant, because pregnancy comes with a whole lot of things. So any small thing can stir up your emotions. So don't go away, just watch through this video. You're going to learn how to take care of your mental health before and during pregnancy. Number one, talk it out. Yes, speak to your partner, speak to your therapist. Let them guide you and talk you out of that mental health situation that you're really dealing at that particular time. Number two is mindfulness and meditation. Yes, always take deep breath every day. You can use 2 to 10 minutes of every day to take your deep breath. Yes, it will help you a lot. Number three, educate yourself. Yes, understanding what is happening to you, telling yourself, accepting the reality that you're going to be pregnant, that you're pregnant, will help you a lot, will make you to ease the mental health or the mental stress. Yes, you first of all accept it yourself that this is what you're into. Number four, sleep. Yes, have enough sleep. Make sure that you prioritize rest. because your body in this state, your body in this moment actually need rest. So you have to rest. If you're those type that does not rest, you like pressing phone, you're moving from one place to another, in this period you make sure you prioritize rest. Sleep should be one of your daily routine. Don't even miss your siesta, or even if it's a small nap, just try and take rest. And lastly on the list is avoid negativity. Yes, anywhere they are talking about any negative thing about pregnancy, make sure you avoid it. Social media is somewhere you should also avoid, because once you enter there, you keep hearing some things, and all these things will make your mental health to go crazy. So in order to avoid all this things, just go away from social media or some platform. You know that I told you earlier that in my previous video about symptoms of early pregnancy, that everybody does not react the same way to pregnancy. Yes, because it's happening to Mr. A this way does not mean to happen to you. So leave every negativity and focus on yourself. Do not mind what other people are saying that happened to them to weigh you down. So this is another way to deal with mental health in pregnancy. And I want to encourage you that if ever you're feeling overwhelmed or the whole stress is weighing you down, just remember that you're not alone in this journey, and God will help you pull through. God who initiated the process will guide you. You're not alone. Other people have been there and they pull through, so your case will not also be different. But in a situation where it's becoming too much, you cannot deal with it, you can talk to your therapist about it, you can talk to your friends, you can talk to your loved one about it. They'll take care of you and talk you out of that state. But in all of this, still know when to seek help. Yes, when the situation becomes persistent, it doesn't end, just try to seek help by calling your doctors. And one of the situation or one of the conditions that you should be worried and you should seek help, one of them is persistent abdominal pain. When the pain comes in your abdomen and it doesn't seem to end, it becomes more painful and heavier, please go to the hospital immediately, or you call your doctor. Another sign is heavy bleeding. Yes, I told you earlier in the symptoms of pregnancy that is spotting. Yeah, there is difference between spotting and bleeding. Once the blood comes and is coming more than the spotting, also just go to the hospital. Yes, because it's something you should worry about. It might be miscarriage, who knows. So early detection will help to prevent to dangers, will help to prevent whatever grievous thing that will happen. Number 3 is sudden swelling of your face and your leg. Yes, I know that some pregnancy comes with swollen legs. Yes, but when this swelling of leg just come all of a sudden, your leg starts swallowing, or your face, please also run to the hospital to go and complain to your doctor. Another one is decreased movement. Yes, when the baby is in your stomach, you feel baby kicking. Baby will be kicking. Anytime you notice that your baby has stopped kicking, the movement is not as frequent as usual, please do not wait for 24 hours. Once you see it's up to 24 hours, your baby is not shaking, go to the hospital. I know that baby movement sometimes you might not notice it when you're busy, but when you're in a sport, you're resting, you're supposed to feel your baby kicking. But if you notice your baby is not kicking, go run to the hospital. So that being said, I want to remind you that the preparation of pregnancy is a journey of love, strength, and trust in yourself. Yes, you have to believe in yourself that you can go through this journey before any other person will give you their moral support, before they will give you their words of encouragement. So be gentle with yourself, stay informed, be calm about it, and please don't forget to take instruction, and please don't hesitate to seek for support. Please, if you find this useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, comment. What are those things you notice when you're pregnant? The signs, the symptoms, how did it go with you? Were there people to support you? Please leave them in the comment section. Let's talk about them. And please don't fail to subscribe. Subscription is totally free. Share to other new moms, share to other expectant mothers. See you in my next one. Bye.